Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: SSDT installed and Ssis runtime accessible. Once done, inspect your source schema so you know which columns need conversion and why. Add a data flow task, then place an OLEDB source or flat file source and configure the connection. You want clean sample rows to test. Preview data to spot nulls, numeric text, and culture-specific formats. Make sure to name columns clearly. This prevents confusion when you add conversions next. You now implement the conversion. Drag the data conversion component into the flow and connect your source. Map each source column to a new output column, selecting exact target types: DT-SDR versus DT-WSDR for strings, DT decimal with explicit precision and scale for numbers. Once mapped, inspect advanced properties and set code page where needed. If source has mixed numeric/text, route problem rows to error output or pre-clean with a derived column. This avoids silent truncation and you finish by connecting the data conversion output to your destination and mapping converted columns to target fields. Run the package with full dataset and monitor error outputs plus row count logging to confirm success. If rows fail, inspect error codes and sample values. Common issues are culture differences, leading /trailing spaces, or unexpected nulls. Make sure to trim white space, and when needed, use a derived column or conditional try cast style expressions to coerce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.